This Arduino law controls a robotic arm using an infrared (IR) remote control. The robotic arm has 4 servo motors that are controlled by the law, and each servo motor controls a specific part of the arm. The law starts by including the servo and e-remote libraries, which are used to control the servos and admit signals from the IR remote control independently. The 4 servo motors are declared as S1, S2, S3, and S4, and the original position of each servo motor is set using the variables A1, A2, A3, and A4 independently. In the setup function, the IR remote control is enabled using the erect-v function, and the periodical communication is initialized using serial begin 9600. The servo motors are attached to their corresponding digital legs using these 1. Attach, S2. Attach, S3. Attach, ENS4. Attach, functions. In the circle function, the law waits for a signal from the IR remote control using their decode function. Once a signal is entered, the law checks which button was pressed on the remote control by comparing the entered signal value, V, to a set of predefined values. Still, the law supplements or reductions the value of a 1 and moves the base servo motor by calling the S1, if the signal value corresponds to one of the buttons that control the base servo motor, right function. Still, the law supplements or reductions the value of a 2 and moves the left servo motor by calling the S2, if the signal value corresponds to one of the buttons that control the left servo motor, right function. Still, the law supplements or reductions the value of a 3 and moves the right servo motor by calling the S3, if the signal value corresponds to one of the buttons that control the right servo motor, right function. Still, the law supplements or reductions the value of a 4 and moves the up servo motor by calling the S4, if the signal value corresponds to one of the buttons that control the up servo motor, used for grabbing and releasing objects. Right function. Eventually, the law resumes staying for a new signal from the IR remote control using their resume function. The detention function is used to control the speed of the servo motor movements.